fierce clash has broken out between the anti-CAA protesters and the supporters of the CAA. The supporters of the CAA have attacked the anti-CAA protesters after 3 days ultimatum. They have given 3 days ultimatum to the anti-CAA protesters to remove the road blockade from this place, which is Mojpur area, Bagh. And you can see a fierce battle is taking place between the anti-CAA protesters and the supporters of CAA. Protesters, Muslim side, this is the Muslim side. On the other side, you have the Hindu supporters, and they have attacked anti-CAA protesters, and they had given 3 days ultimatum before, asking the anti-CAA protesters to remove the road blockade. And now a fierce battle between the two is taking place. So both sides are pelting stones, rocks and other missiles against each other.